If you're in sales, you probably heard the hype. HubSpot's new AI SDR Breeze promises to turn hours of research into minutes, auto-generate personalized outreach, and keep your CRM magically updated. Sounds like a dream. But is it actually the sales revolution it claims to be, or is it just another AI tool that looks great in a demo? Here's what Breeze is bringing to the table. Lightning-fast research that scans thousands of data points across your targeted accounts in minutes. Zero training required, since it plugs right into HubSpot Smart CRM and learns from your successful sales patterns. We have a centralized research hub that pulls data from multiple sources so your reps don't have to jump between tabs. And you have instant outreach strategies that turn research into tailored outreach suggestions, custom messages at scale that maintain brand consistency, and automation with control, letting you schedule, send, and track campaigns from inside HubSpot, while still giving you flexibility to tweak sequences when you need to. If your team already lives in HubSpot, that's a smooth upgrade. No separate logins and no messy integrations. But here's the problem. Breeze is built for HubSpot users only. It's great if you're all in on their ecosystem, but if you're using any other CRMs or want multi-channel outreach beyond email, you're back to duct taping tools together. And while Breeze can surface great insights, it's still reactive. It waits for you to ask before it acts. That means no proactive end-to-end outbound engine that scrapes leads, enriches data, writes copy, launches campaigns, filters replies, and books meetings without you touching it. That's where Agent Frank, Salesforce's AI SDR, changes the game. Frank doesn't just plug into your CRM. Frank is your outbound department. It scrapes and enriches leads from anywhere, not just HubSpot, writes hyper-personalized cold emails in your tone, auto launches campaigns, handles replies and objections in real time, and books meetings without you lifting a finger. It's the difference between an AI assistant that helps you research and an AI SDR that books you meetings. So here's the takeaway. If you're a HubSpot only team and you want faster research and smoother outreach, Breeze is a solid upgrade. But if you want an AI SDR that does everything for you and actually books meetings while you sleep, you need to meet Agent Frank. And if you think I'm exaggerating, watch this video next where I talk about Agent Frank a lot more in depth.